All right, Bam Blam Sam here. As you can tell, we got the silver bullet behind me, Dad's behind me, and I haven't put out a video in a while. I got sick, some other things, but here's the thing. The silver bullet has got some major upgrades coming, and we're going to film that for you. We're going to put some pods on it, which entails a lot of work. We're going to have to take the motor off, clean up the back. I mean, shade tree mechanic type stuff, but if we can do it, anybody can. Let's see how well we do. Bam Blam. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to, if you can see right there, we're going to scrub and clean all this stuff up. That way we can mate them properly to each other. And we're going to probably try and use some Brillo pad, SOS, something like that. Got one side done. Starting the other side. I'll do the reveal. So that's what it looks like now. I'll do the after. All right, guys, we're just now finishing up with the cleaning of this side, and I'm gonna wipe it off for y'all. I've got some more stuff to get off too, as you can see, but we're gonna show you what a transformation just a little bit of do. Bam, look at that. You know, we'll do a little bit more cleaning of this stuff and all that. All right. Bam Blam. And bam. What do y'all think? We're gonna do some cleaning right here. Look at that. Showroom shine right there, boys. Okay. And that's the aluminum cover right here. We'll be cutting an access panel on the top, and that is the aluminum top that we'll be using to seal it back up with, so we can access inside of it to work. All right. All right, guys, so I'm back here. We've got the surface cleaned up there. As you can see, we've got 8 holes to drill. I don't know if you can see that or not. 4 on top, 4 on bottom. You put one of these on the inside of the boat, 2 of them on the inside of the boat, 2 of them on the inside of here. We're gonna have to cut an access panel in the top of here and do some cleaning up on this with some wet dry sandpaper, and then we'll bolt the 2 up with our holes, and we'll take her out for a test spin. You know, we gotta cut an access panel on the top. Yeah. Okay, so that's got it laid out. That's all garbly goop to me. Okay guys, so update. This is where we're at on the pods. Got an access panel cut. It's not filed and it's safe to stick your arm in there yet, but this one is. It's on there. We've got it kind of on there. Just give me the finished product right there. Okay. Quick update, guys. We've got them both up there. One of them is mounted. Looking pretty slick. And some people say it's like a beaver tail, man. I say that's like an eagle tail, man. Shift don't ever quit, y'all.
right close up.
Alright, we got it on. Tighten her down.
Yep. That's quick. Shit.
Sealing it, waterproofing it, etc.
This in this side, right? Yeah.
Okay, I got a quick camera. We'll be back in a minute. Back.
Okay, cool.
Got some gloves coming off. That's good. Seal it up. Excuse all the trash. We'll clean that up afterwards. We're working on the boat on the old Silver Bullet. Pretty cool. Pause worked, everybody.